So let's this time build, well, an ice cream store, right? It's summer. It's really good to have ice cream in New York. And let's do that. So again, it's an existing business, so there's a lot of media already on the internet that the business can use. And we've seen already, right, how to build a website with one click. Jane's website, a personal trainer. We've seen another one, which is how to build a new business, e-commerce, right? Now we're going to take it just a bit more into the details, and we're going to show some more things why we think this is such a radical change on how things are being done. One of the most important things for us when we were building this system was that we wanted to really allow users to have websites that are unique, that look different, that actually capture the spirit of their business. And you can see that in many different parts. And again, like here, the palette is already different. It's an ice cream business. We have 86 million websites on Wix. We understand that it should look different than a watch store, right? And you get all of that knowledge coming here and allowing us to build a perfect website for you. And again, this is the ADI system, do it completely automatic, right? There's no human touch here. And you can see the sections are different, right? It's not the same. The feeling is different. This kind of looks like an ice cream store. Well, if you can show that. So, and you think we had one black, which was very powerful, and now which was a more elegant, and now we have this, which is, and what I want to show you here, well, you know, winter in New York is a really, summer in New York is a really good place to sell ice creams, right? And again, you can change the designs, whatever you choose. But what happened, right, when winter is coming, right? And that, when it happens in New York, it's very chilly. Nobody wants ice cream. So this business, maybe they want to change and move to become a chocolate store, right? So let's see how they can do that. So again, the ADI system, when it was looking on their content on the internet, it found they have ice creams and chocolates. And well, let's see how long it took Connie to actually change the complete look of this website, right? To be, and the one thing that is really amazing here is that every click here activates the AI, which helps you design more and more. And I'm going to show you more details about it in a few seconds. So we pretty much have a website. The colors still look a bit ice creamish. And let's change that. Let's change the colors. So probably, well, you want to have something that is a bit more elegant for chocolate, right? And so choose one. And now the AI system is actually going, and not just changing the colors, but we're changing the fonts to fit that, okay? It's scaling everything perfectly. It's actually going and aligning all the spacing differently. So it's all done with a click. You can go in and tune it even farther. So let me show you, but let's zoom on one small detail here to show you how much is done in every click. So we have this piece of content, right? And we can choose a various amount of designs. And of course, it's building more and more for you. And it can learn even more and more designs, so it's going to be richer and richer as we go forward. But what happens if we remove the image? So immediately, it goes and redesign that for you, right? You don't have to know and think about it, right? It just looks natural. But all these design suggestions are now completely different, right? Again, completely automatic. And if you see on the left side, right? And if you add the image again, the system said, well, you probably prefer something that looks like that, so let me try and keep the design to be something that you seems to prefer. It actually learns what you're doing, and it's placing it here. So as you move more and you work with it, it just feels more natural. It kind of knows what you want.